Brother, hurry.
That's wow. Yeah, it seems like that really is very dangerous around here. We have to start looking out for each other, more. I'm more for these guys are really nice guys in here. I get along with them very well here quite often, and a very nice gas station. Gets a lot of business, and maybe because of that, they probably cause anything that's flourishing. The thieves are gonna come along and try to do little things as well. So, but you gotta safeguard yourself, and we have to, what really makes makes up, as they say, a village, is when everybody is looking out for each other. That's what a real, family. Orientated, because they're more family orientated, in there. They get along well with each other, and I know I get along good with them. So yeah, really, I hope that they really catch the guy, and that they safeguard themselves more, and that others as well that come here when they see those kind of things, also, that's how we would, keep us area safe. Looking out one for another.